Hi everyone. The category we've created from the ground up. Go the distance, in style. Discover the wide open world and freedom for the soul on bikes only Harley-Davidson could build. 2023 Harley-Davidson Road King Special. A custom bagger with top-of-the-line power and a commanding presence. Riders seeking a factory custom hot rod with iconic HD style. Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-twin engine and Prodigy wheels. Bright white Daymaker LED headlamp pushes out an impressive punch, and a new low-profile engine guard designed to emphasize the bike's slammed, low lines. Rule the road. Pack more and go farther. Iconic hot rod styling. A custom bagger with top-of-the-line power and a commanding presence. 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special. The Road Glide Special is offered with new two-tone paint options, and with a choice of a blacked out or bright chrome styling treatments, giving the customer a choice of a look that's dark and sinister, or brilliant and more traditional. All special models are now equipped with the high-performance ventilator air cleaner with a washable filter element, and a new low-profile engine guard. This performance bagger combines menacing style with aerodynamic comfort and the power of the Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine. Escapism found. Open it up and take it into screaming motors and spectacular scenery. A blacked out or bright chrome performance bagger, loaded with premium features. '23 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. A factory custom bagger with highway shredding power offered with new two-tone paint options, and with a choice of a blacked out or bright chrome styling treatments, giving the customer a choice of a look that's dark and sinister, or brilliant and more traditional. All special models are now equipped with the high-performance ventilator air cleaner with a washable filter element, and a new low-profile engine guard, the Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-twin engine and Prodigy wheels. The original hot rod bagger rolls behind the classic Harley-Davidson Batwing fairing. Authoritative power meets long-haul comfort and custom style. Bright white Daymaker LED headlamp pushes out an impressive punch that lights up the road and makes the motorcycle more conspicuous in daytime. Distinctive styling wherever the road may take you. Elevated custom styling. Own the open road with the Milwaukee-Eight 114. A factory custom bagger with highway shredding power, in a blacked out or chrome finish. '23 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited. A long haul, two-up touring specialist featuring the distinctive aerodynamic Road Glide shark nose fairing with triple split stream vents that limit rider head buffeting. The standard Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine delivers smooth, powerful touring performance while dual Daymaker LED headlamps offer outstanding night visibility. 2023 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited. From its twin-cooled Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-twin engine down to its heated hand grips, the Ultra Limited motorcycle has just the right balance: Batwing fairing and a split-stream air vent for optimal airflow and reduced head buffeting, a boom GTS infotainment system, electronic cruise control, responsive front and rear suspension, and a tour pack carrier with room for 2 full-face helmets. 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide ST. The sleek Road Glide ST model projects the attitude of the Screamin' Eagle factory championship winning bike and backs it up with the street-scorching power of the Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain. Undiminished rider comfort and the shark nose fixed fairing appeals to a rider who wants to make quick work of the open road. King of baggers. Unbridled swagger. Breathtaking performance for miles. A sleek performance bagger that projects more attitude than ever. backed up with the street-scorching power of the Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain. (2023) Harley-Davidson Street Glide ST. Meet the new breed of speed from Harley-Davidson, hot rod bagger performance for the rider who wants to strafe corners in comfort. The Street Glide ST model pairs the muscular Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain with new dark and bronze finishes. Iconic style. Pinnacle performance. Unleash 126 feet-pound of twist from the Milwaukee-Eight 117. A day trip is the ultimate day off. An elevated pro touring performance bagger steeped in West Coast style cues. Custom Vehicle Operation, CVO models represent the pinnacle of Harley-Davidson style and design. They're manufactured in limited numbers and draw upon the expertise and craftsmanship of the brand. Each CVO model is equipped with the power of the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, show-stopping finishes, advanced features, exclusive components, and attention to detail that borders on the obsessive. (2023) Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide Limited. The 2023 CVO Road Glide Limited Anniversary model is an extremely limited, serialized custom bagger loaded with exclusive details, power and styling that celebrate 120 years of Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Once-in-a-lifetime celebration. One-of-a-kind motorcycle. Thanks for watching.